This diagram shows interlocking gears, AI capability and human leadership. If AI generates instant answers, what human intelligence makes you valuable? The left gear provides speed, fluency, and options, but it requires the right gear: human context, judgment, ethics, and direction. Dr. Kartikeya Ballar at the TA-PI Management Institute developed a curriculum around this dynamic. Through a series of 7 distinct exercises, future executives learn to transition from passive consumers of AI outputs into active directors of AI systems. Think of AI as a powerful engine of generation. Without a human steering wheel, that engine doesn't get you to the right destination. It simply accelerates the production of unverified output. This visual contrasts a weak prompt yielding a scattered, chaotic network of dots with a strong prompt. By defining constraints like audience and budget, the output shifts into a highly structured pyramid. The machine didn't get smarter, the instruction got sharper. This image of a startup pitch document peeling back reveals a critical trap. AI writes with high grammatical fluency, which can easily mask missing evidence and ignored risks hidden underneath the surface. To combat those hallucinations, we rely on grounded AI. This diagram contrasts a general chatbot, acting as a leaky funnel pulling from the open web, with a secure padlock system that restricts the AI to specific, verified source documents, like financial reports. True executive intelligence means acting like an investor. You don't let a slick, eloquent presentation sweep you away. You demand to see the underlying data that supports the pitch. This matrix sorts AI tasks into 3 specific columns: useful, risky, and unethical. It forces a clear distinction between using a tool to summarize a long reading and crossing the line into generating fake citations or secretly solving quantitative homework. This flowchart shows an AI recommendation sitting squarely in conflict, cutting staff to optimize routes against pressure from worried employees and profit-hungry investors. A human leader must evaluate the proposal against 4 pillars: business logic, human impact, long-term reputation, and ethical responsibility. Consider this checklist under the magnifying glass. If an AI generates 5 famous leadership quotes, you must mentally run them through 4 steps before presentation. Are the quotes real? Are the attributions reliable? Are primary sources provided? Is this presentable without external verification? Algorithms excel at surfacing mathematically optimal options, but leadership is defined by bearing the final, real-world accountability for whichever option you choose to execute. This comparison captures the shift from the passive consumer on the left, waiting for an answer, toward the intelligent architect on the right, actively drafting complex, multi-layered questions that align with specific risk appetites and market data. This cycle maps the complete workflow of an AI-augmented executive. Notice the machine is only responsible for step 2, generating options. The remaining steps require human intervention to design the question, verify sources, evaluate substance, filter ethics, and make decisions. This radar chart reveals the relationship's true scale. The dense blue center represents raw AI capabilities: text generation, pattern recognition, and speed. The massive perimeter outlines the unoutsourceable human traits required to deploy them safely: curiosity, ethical judgment, empathy, context awareness, and courage. The machine is ultimately a mirror. In an automated world, your singular value as a leader lies in your ability to ensure that mirror reflects high-quality, verified, and deeply responsible human intelligence.